So here we are at the Major Cineplex, the first mall here at the Ekkamai BTS station. Good afternoon. We are here in Thong Lor area, Sukhumvit Soi 57, and it's a bit of a rainy day. So let me take you for a little walk in the direction of Ekkamai. The last weeks have been quite rainy here in Bangkok. So this is the T1 office building, and on the top there is a very nice rooftop bar. I heard about it, haven't been there yet, but unfortunately it's all closed at the moment. But we will definitely go and try that in the future. Yeah, this is an area where there's a lot of construction. There's I think 3 or 4 buildings in a row that they are constructing. So this is the Ascott Thonglor. This is Sukhumvit Soi 59. When you get really tough rain, then this always floods here. And the next one here is the sales gallery of the Hyde. The sales gallery has been here for quite a while, and the construction is getting along as well. And this building that you see here is the Fullerton. See, it's lightening up already a little bit. This is the entrance to the Dhani Residence, which is a building, a quite high-end super luxury building that has, I think, 6 units, but every unit is 1 floor, so the building has 6 floors. See, this they construct to make sure that motorcycles or bicycles cannot go through here. You know, the rainy weather always makes everything super green. See, a lot of buildings, they use this kind of system where you have these pipes, and the pipes make sure that the water is getting away from the building a little bit. So here we are at the Major Cineplex. So the Major Cineplex is the first mall that was here at the Ekkamai BTS station. The Golden Arch is still here. If you were ever wondering what these people on the bicycles with these kind of boards in front, they are selling lottery tickets. And they have this whole board, and most people here have lucky numbers, so they can pick any of these lottery tickets that correspond with their lucky number. And you see them always everywhere. So here to the right you have the Eastern Bus Terminal. I made a video about that not so long ago. And we're getting here to the entrance of Soi Ekkamai. Here's a Wii Fitness. Also, all the fitness studios are closed at the moment. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update walking from Thong Lor to Ekkamai. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.